Hello, Richard here from Eagle6 Airsoft. We have here a Token Marie Devgru 416 NGRS electric. This one has got a level 5 kit installed. This one's the upgraded power spring from Eagle6. We've got the Psionic R hop kit. We've got the matching Prometheus barrel for that kit. We've got the Eagle6 upgraded recoil return spring. We've got the Jeftron mosfet system. We've got the Prometheus SOC mod conversion kit, which goes into the stock on here. Oh, sorry, it's level 5 on the information thing, but that is all the parts, if you know what I mean. So I think we've put level 5 on there so that we was able to choose the upgraded recoil return spring using the configurator. It's got yeah, battery being provided, and we've set it up for 3.2s. We've chronoed on 3.2s at 268 FPS, and we've passed it for range testing and marked it as ready to video and build up. So we're just now here to just do a stress test just to make sure it's all working. There we go. So all tested, all working. Yeah, any problems, let me know. But otherwise, we hope you enjoy. Thank you.